going to give a 2-minute lightning talk on the Selenium grid relay. Okay? Did you know that there is a way native to the Selenium 4 grid, which is a ground-up rewrite and a brilliant brand new architecture for Selenium 4.0? There is a way to attach a grid node to your hub that will act as a router to another grid. So imagine you work in a giant company that is very, very unfriendly to Mac and Safari, but you still need to test that browser. Imagine somebody else builds a massive Mac Mini factory inside of a server closet that's managed centrally by some team, and you work for a team that does not have access to that. Well, if you get friendly with the people that are running that, imagine that every single person that's running their own Selenium grid within your company can attach a node that automatically routes anything that asks for a Safari browser as a relay to that grid. Everyone can use the same centralized Mac Mini grid as opposed to every team having to build their own. You don't have to set up a separate grid to do it, and you can manage all of the same workloads and traffic without any sort of with 8 lines of config code that you attach to your Selenium grid configuration. It's all documented on selenium.dev under the grid. I think it's a super exciting feature. You can also, if you happen to want to, attach that to something like a cloud vendor to add scale to your grid without any extra effort. It was beyond the 8 lines of config code and maybe a contract. So anyway, that's my lightning talk about the Selenium relay. I appreciate very much that Diego implemented that feature. It was the kind of thing I would have killed for back when I was doing testing for a living. And that's my lightning talk. So, all right, we are.
School mastering.